This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by disabling the live proofing that creates red underlines. Go to File, then Options, then Proofing. Uncheck Check Spelling as you type and mark grammar errors as you type. This stops PowerPoint from continuously scanning and underlining words while you work. Once done, click OK to apply settings. If you want spell check back later, you can run a manual check. This gives you control and prevents constant red underlines from disrupting layout and presentation flow. Now remove any red underlines already present by addressing existing flags. Select the text box or press Ctrl plus inside a frame to highlight all text. Use Review then Spelling to run a manual check and choose Ignore all for words you accept or Add to Dictionary for recurring terms. Once you ignore or add them, the red underlines disappear permanently for that document. Make sure to repeat on master slides if underlines persist in templates or slide masters to fully finish by making the change durable across slides and future presentations. Open View then Slide Master and repeat the proofing disable steps there so new slides inherit the setting. Save the file as a template, PodX, to keep the behavior. Once saved, restart PowerPoint to ensure changes take effect. If underlines still appear, run an Office Quick Repair or Update Office. Corrupted settings can ignore the preference. That repair usually restores correct proofing behavior and removes stubborn red underlines.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.